Namaste, welcome to the Shwetarg. Let's look at a key difference. Financial markets versus business AIF. In traditional markets, your capital goes into listed stocks and bonds. You get exposure, but no control. You react to news, not shape it. With Shwetarg's business AIF, it's different. We invest directly in private businesses, startups, MSMEs, high growth ventures, and often take a significant stake. That means we're not just funding growth, we're driving it. From operations to strategy, we influence outcomes. So here's the difference. Financial market is equal to passive investing. Business AIF is equal to active ownership. At Shwetarg, we believe in giving your investments more than a seat at the table. We give them a voice through Shwetarg business ecosystem. Shwetarg's business AIF stands out by blending the structured approach of venture capital with the flexibility of hedge fund strategies. We focus on scalable SMEs, providing growth capital in stages linked to performance milestones. This approach ensures funds are used efficiently while helping businesses grow faster and smarter. When the time is right, we exit through strategic buyouts or IPOs, capturing the highest possible value. This method reduces unnecessary dilution and boosts overall returns, consistently outperforming traditional investment models. Welcome to the Shwetarg business ecosystem, a powerful framework designed to scale profitable ventures through deep expertise and strategic precision. At the center is the Shwetarg Business Health System, a rigorous evaluation tool that filters opportunities based on scalability, profitability, and core technical strength. The ecosystem functions through a tri-party team collaboration. The brainstorming team, comprised of CIs, industry veterans, and domain experts, plays two key roles: identifying businesses worth investing in and providing strategic solutions post-investment based on real-time reports, SWOTs, and risk assessments. The fund management team, under Shwetarg Global Wealth (IFSC), ensures smart capital deployment into high-growth opportunities aligned with market trends and return potential. The Pragati team executes on the ground, implementing strategies, ERP systems, and delivering real-time business metrics. They're not observers, they're enablers, ensuring smooth execution and sustainable growth. This is the Shwetarg business ecosystem, where insight fuels capital, execution drives outcomes, and businesses don't just grow, they thrive. Let's talk about real business. Many founders are brilliant in their core expertise, say technology or product development, but running a successful business needs more than just technical skills. Without Shwetarg, you may be great at what you do, but you struggle with scaling, speeding, marketing, or managing operations. You're juggling everything, but still missing out on big opportunities. And the results? Growth is slow, decisions are reactive, and there's no proper structure. With Shwetarg, you're not alone. You get expert support in every area of business, from management systems and risk analysis to marketing strategy, SOPs, and ERP implementation. We identify what's missing, plug the gaps, and give you a dashboard view of your entire business health. Think of it like a 360-degree upgrade. Your strengths stay yours, and we boost everything else. And the result? Stronger execution, faster growth, better decisions, and as the graph shows, performance that's 2x better across the board. With Shwetarg, we are not just investing but also helping in running the business. In fact, together, we are building a high-performance growth engine. Traditionally, when funds or investors invest into businesses, they often go with the upfront investment model. All the money is invested upfront in the business. Now, while this sounds straightforward, in reality, it can be highly inefficient. Why? Because in the early stages, businesses may have strong potential, but they're not ready to utilize large capital effectively. A big chunk of that money either remains idle or gets spent in areas where it doesn't yield the best results. And the outcome? Lower returns and ultimately lesser valuation growth. Now contrast to that with the Shwetarg ecosystem with the help of Shwetarg Global Wealth IFSC team. We follow an approach where fund flows as and when it grows. Capital is deployed gradually, based on actual requirements and performance milestones. This way, the business gets exactly what it needs, when it needs. This model brings three big benefits: flexibility in capital deployment, higher ROI since every rupee is working smarter, and stronger valuation growth as funds are aligned with strategic execution. This is the difference between overwatering a sapling and nurturing it season by season. At Shwetark, we believe in helping businesses grow in the right way at the right time. With the Shwetark Business Health System and the broader Shwetark ecosystem, businesses can seamlessly access cost-effective loans and debt funding from both domestic and international banks. By showcasing financial health and pooling demand across our network, Shwetark helps businesses build trust with banking partners, unlocking smoother, smarter funding opportunities, stronger partnerships, lower costs, healthier growth. The heart of Shwetark's success is a powerful tool, the Shwetark Business Reporting System. We begin by generating 3 key reports: the Shwetark Business Health Report, a risk analysis report, and a SWOT analysis report. These reports help us identify the most important areas that need attention or improvement. Next, our brainstorming team steps in, bringing together diverse expertise to explore challenges and opportunities from every angle. And the result? We craft the best possible solutions tailored to each business's unique situation. And with that focused approach, we aim to deliver 2x or more in returns, driving growth that's both smart and sustainable. Here's the magic. Taxes hit only when you cash out. With Shwetark's fund parking solution, your gains grow tax-free until you decide to redeem your AIF units. And the rules are no redemption, no tax. Daily, quarterly, yearly growth, no tax. Redeem units, tax applies only to the amount withdrawn. For example, if your 10 crore grows to 15 crore over time, you pay 0 tax on the 5 crore gain until you redeem. Withdraw 2 crore, only the 2 crore and its gains are taxed. Why it works? Tax liability stays frozen until redemption. Your profits compound freely and you control when or if the taxman gets a share.